Number 1. What is criminal procedure? It is a set of rules that governs how criminal actions are initiated, prosecuted, tried, and decided in court. Number 2. Differences between criminal law and criminal procedure. Criminal law defines crimes and prescribes penalties, while the criminal procedure is the steps to enforce criminal law like filing, trial, and judgment. Number 3. What is jurisdiction? Jurisdiction is a authority of the court to hear, try, and decides a case. Number 4. Jurisdiction over subject matter. It is the power of court to hear specific types of cases as provided by the law. For example is the RTC has jurisdiction over the murder cases. Number 5. Jurisdiction over the person of accused. Jurisdiction over the person accused can be acquired when a person is being arrested lawfully or submits voluntarily to the court. Example is when an accused arrested by warrant in Manila, he must face the trial in court. Number 6. Jurisdiction over the territory. It is the power of court to hear cases committed within the geographic area. Like for example, when a case filed or a crime happened within Davao area, the case should be filed in Davao courts only. Number 7. Cases cognizable before the Katarungang Pambarangay. It is the dispute of the residents in the same barangay. Civil or criminal cases punishable by less than 1 year or a fine of 5,000 pesos unless committed serious crimes and non-resident crimes. Number 8. Cases cognizable in original jurisdiction. MTC, MTCC, and MCTC is punishable by less than 6 years. RTC or Regional Trial Court is punishable by more than 6 years. CA or Court of Appeals is offenses punishable by writs of habeas corpus, certiorari, and mandamus. Sandigan Bayan is the criminal cases such as graft, corruption committed by public officials. Court of Tax of Appeal is a offenses committed related to the taxes. Supreme Court is the constitutional rights and petition for extraordinary cases, as well as the constitutional issues. Number 9. Cases cognizable in appellate jurisdiction are those cases that can be reviewed by the higher court after being decided by the lower courts. For example, when the RTC review the final judgment of the MTC. Another one is the Court of Appeals. They appeal the final judgment or decision of the Regional Trial Court. Number 10. Rule 110. Rule 110, it simply means that it is the rules on how criminal cases starts and are being handled. It also says that all criminal cases are filed in the name of people of the Philippines. It also says that it also explains who can file a case and how it should be filed and what are the details included